Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a lot of lipsticks with me. So if you are a college going student on a budget and you want something that you can wear every day for your college or your office, this is definitely for you. You will get everything under 300 rupees from Amazon. Check description box. I have actually done a similar video back in March, if I'm not wrong. I will tag that in my description box and the I section as well. So the first one is this one. This is from the brand Swiss Beauty My Shine lipstick, and the one that I'm using is the shade 09 Frozen Plum. So I already have another shade of this one. I think it is Victoria something. I will attach that swatch right here. That is a little bit this is more on like a mauvish side, and that is more on the pinkish, like peachish pink side, but I absolutely love the formula. This is definitely not transfer proof, but it looks really good. It is very lightweight on the skin. It is not exactly like a lipstick and like lip balm, like in between that, you can say. So this is the first one. This got it like I think 50% off, like at 175 rupees. Yes, 175 for a lipstick. That is a very steal deal that I got. I absolutely love this first one. The next one is this Inside Smudge Free Lip Mud, and my shade is 20 Sunny Side. Again, this is also really affordable. This is priced at 200 rupees, but I got it from Amazon, if I'm not right, around like I think 160 170 rupees, something that I really liked. And so this color is the one that is the actual lipstick color, which I really liked. And let's watch. Liquid lipstick, but this is more of like a lip mousse kind of texture, so it does not feel heavy on the lips. It is not at all sticky, and the color is also something I think that is looking really good with me. Maybe not with this eye makeup, but overall the color is very nice. It is like a purple, not exactly like, yeah, close to purple kind of color. So it is totally smudge proof as well. I think this is pretty good, and I saw it is mostly available around 170 to 180 rupees. So check the link down below. Side lip cream, and it is, I have the shade 04 Aphrodite, and this is also priced at 199 rupees, and I can see it is available like 170 to 180 will get it. It's something that I really liked. It is like at a glance it looks like a squeezy tube and the blush will come out, but no, this is a lip cream. But the shade is yeah, as you can see, this is definitely not for me. It is a very bright coralish kind of color. Like if you are very fair, you might like it, but definitely not me. But that is my like, that is up to me because I chose the wrong shade. But the formula not really that sticky. Let me just swatch. It does transfers, not yet, you know, settle down. So it did transfer, but I don't think it is gonna transfer. Next one is from Sugar. This is the lip crayon, and I have the shade 2 IRL, and this is priced at 599, which is pretty high. I actually bought a couple of products from Sugar, and I got this lipstick at free. I think there was some discount or some sale, something going on. And this is how the packaging looks like. This is from their Play collection. The color actually looks pretty nice. Color looks really good on me. I think with this eye color also, I think this is looking very good. It is very creamy. Like it is like sugar at a time. I really hated using sugar, but this is very creamy on the lips. Like almost like a balmy kind of texture. There are multiple shades, and definitely you will get a lot of discount. Definitely don't buy it at 599. I think you will get at least 50% discount, and 50% I think this is definitely worth it. Check the link down below. Next I have another from Inside. This is the matte lip ink, and I got the shade 03. Yes, and this is also priced at 145 rupees. Oh my god, this is even less. For the packaging, I think this kind of packaging I've seen a lot of Inside packages, so it is nothing new, but let's try. I think this is the first proper liquid lipstick that I have in here, because all of theirs like lip mousse, lip mud, a different texture. This is the actual liquid lipstick. Shade actually is really nice. It is like a vibrant pink color. The formula is also really good. It is not really that sticky. It has not dried down yet though, but again it's a matte formula, so it is gonna be a totally transfer proof as well. Formula wise, again 145 rupees. You will get it like around 100 rupees, I guess. Definitely something you should try. Check out below, especially if you are a college going student on a budget. This is for you. The last one is this viral that has been going viral right now. This is the Mars matte lipstick mousse, and I have the shade 13 Power Diva. After swatching everything, I realized that I have bought everything almost in the same color, like that purplish or like mauvish kind of color, but this is something that I really enjoy. But This was, I think, my recent purchase, like the last lipstick that I got, and I absolutely love the formula. This is so good. Like, it is that mousse kind of formula that does not stick to your lips. It is very lightweight and it has a huge shade range. I think it has more than 10. There are a lot of nudes as well. There are a lot of reds. This is something that I prefer, so I got this one. I already wore it like a couple of times. It stays for a pretty long time as well. Like, you do have to reply if you're eating, but overall for this price point, I think this is really good. 299 rupees, but I'm pretty sure I got it within, like, there was like 10-20% off on Amazon. I got it from Amazon as well. So yeah, there's that. Guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have liked it. But anyway, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and find all the links from the description box. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. My next video, I actually will show about this cushion foundation from Inside, which is terrific. I love this one, the one that I'm wearing right now. So stay tuned for that review as well, and take care guys. Bye.